Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fluento Podcast, your English Learning Academy. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Eva. Before we start, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to our channel for more real-life English conversations.
Today we're going to show you how to make your English stories more vivid, more natural, and more interesting by using the past continuous tense.
This tense is super common in real conversations, especially when people tell stories, share memories, or describe what was happening in the past. The past continuous is formed like this: was, were, plus verb plus ing.
We use it to talk about actions that were in progress at a specific moment in the past. Examples: I was watching TV. She was driving home. They were talking when it happened.
Try saying these sentences out loud to get the feel.
When you only use past simple, stories can sound flat.
But past continuous helps you set the scene, create background action, add suspense, sound more like a native speaker.
Imagine describing a party or a funny memory. This tense is your secret tool.
Instead of saying, "Yesterday I went home," you can say, "Yesterday I was walking home when I heard a strange noise."
The past continuous, was walking, paints a picture. We can see the action happening.
You can add little details like what people around were doing or the weather. It really brings stories to life.
Here's a very important storytelling pattern. Past continuous background action. Past simple main event.
For example, I was sleeping when the phone rang.
The sleep was in progress. The phone ringing is the main action.
You can also chain small events. I was reading when the doorbell rang, and my cat was sleeping on the couch. See how vivid it becomes? Let's tell a short story together.
All right.
Last night, I was studying in my room. It was raining outside, and everything felt quiet.
Suddenly, I heard a loud knock on the door.
Then you can describe reactions. I was jumping in surprise, while my little brother was hiding behind the sofa.
Past continuous is perfect for describing atmosphere. Examples: people were dancing, music was playing, and everyone was smiling. The sun was setting, and birds were flying across the sky.
Describe sounds, smells, movements. Every detail keeps your listener engaged for longer. You'll often hear past continuous with these words: a while, a when, as, all day, at that moment. Examples: while I was cooking, the lights went out. As we were talking, something strange happened.
You can even add short dialogues here to expand the scene naturally. One common mistake is using past continuous for short, finished actions. Wrong, I was dropped my phone. Right, I dropped my phone.
Use past continuous only when the action was ongoing.
Also, don't forget to mix tenses smoothly. Listeners love variety. Let me tell you a longer story. Last weekend, I was sitting in a cafe. I was drinking coffee and was checking my phone. People were chatting, and soft music was playing in the background.
Then suddenly, someone spilled coffee on my jacket.
I was trying to clean it while my friend was laughing at the situation.
Add pauses and reactions like this, and you can naturally stretch the story for several minutes. Pause the video and try this. Finish this sentence out loud. I was feeling, and then say what happened next.
Write your sentence in the comments. Then imagine describing what everyone else was doing around you. This adds extra depth and time. Here's a fun challenge. Try telling a 2-minute story using at least 5 past continuous actions.
For example, I was walking in the park, kids were playing, dogs were barking, Birds were singing, and someone was jogging past me. When then add a main event in past simple.
Challenge yourself and share in comments. This not only helps your storytelling but also naturally fills the 20 minutes of engagement. Native speakers often mix tenses smoothly. Example: I was driving to work when I realized I had forgotten my bag.
Add small details like sounds, people, and weather. Your story becomes more immersive. To tell better stories, use past continuous to set the scene. Use past simple for important actions. Mix both naturally. Add reactions and details for extra engagement.
Practice with a friend or record yourself. The more you do it, the more confident you'll get. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to Fluento Podcast, your English learning academy.
Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget the story challenge and comment your sentences. See you in the next episode. Bye.
See you. Bye.